Insert minicam inside board 2. Board 13. Board 3 and 4 and 11. Board 9 and 10. Insert dowel inside board 9 and 10. Board 6. Board 5. Board 13. Board 3 and 4 and 11. Insert minifix in board 9 and 10. Insert V-top on board 9. Insert minifix in board 11. Insert V-top on board 11. Insert minifix in board 1. Insert minifix in board 3 and 4. Attach board 13 and board 5 on board 10. Attach door magnet on board 5 and 13. Insert door spring on board 8. Attach board 8 between board 5 and 13. Attach board 11 on top. Attach board 4 on the bottom. Remember to tighten all the minicam. Attach board 2 on board 11. Attach door magnet and drawer stopper on board 3. Attach board 3 on board 10. Attach board 6 on the bottom of the cabinet. Complete the frame by attaching board 9. Attach board 1 on top of the cabinet. Nail board 12 and adjust until the side cover the frame. Screw 6 center glider at the bottom of the board. Measure door magnet to avoid wrong position. Assemble and screw the handle rubber on each door. Lastly, screw the hinges on board 7. Tighten and adjust the hinges to avoid gap. Hide all the screw by using minicap. And you are done!